Hello again and welcome back to WTF RC Cars. So, little bit of a crap time at minute, we're all stuck indoors on house arrest, but needs must, stay safe everybody, and hope people are paying attention to it because I don't want none of you dying, and I don't want to die myself, but anyway. So, we're stuck indoors, and only thing we can do is get deliveries, so let's have a bit of an unboxing. I've already cut the tape on it, but let's see what we've got. So, this one is from Wheelspin. Let's see what's managed to turn up. So, this is going to be an update on the Abeo blanking plate. Get rid of that pull start, the crap system. And we have a box starter. It's a universal one, so hopefully we can get that to fit. And a whacking great big battery for it. So, that's a few things. Now for a few updates that are coming on channel. So, here we have the demon car itself. And we've also got a Noble MB4. flysky's flagship transmitter for ground vehicles and boats, I believe. Bit of a weird one, this. Watched loads of videos before I bought it, and the general consensus seems to be it comes with two receivers. A larger one and a tiny one. And if anybody's got one of these Abeos, it's quite a big battery box, and you can put a LiPo cell under there, but the radio box is quite small. So when I saw the little receiver, I thought, brilliant. But with this being a Nitro, really wanted telemetry, and most of the videos I've watched, either they don't mention the telemetry capabilities of the small receiver, or they point blank say it's not compatible. So after doing a few quick tests, I can definitely say it is compatible with a whole bunch of flysky's telemetry add-ons. The two that I've got fitted to this currently is the magnetic RPM that I'm going to use as a speed, and the temperature that I'm going to use to monitor the head temp. There is a setting, once you bind to the tiny receiver, there is a setting that you can change, and you change the iBus connector to be a sensor input. But I will be doing a full video on that, because I'm guessing, like myself, a lot of people would like telemetry and would like to use the tiny receiver. Gonna do quite a few videos on the FlySky Noble, because it needs it. It's a very easy control to use, but you can also go crazy in depth on more or less everything it does do. The large receiver that came with it is now fitted in the Dragon Hammer, and it's very hard to get a shot, but you can probably just make out the temperature sensor going up to the top at head. Some of you may have noticed this little bit, which while I've got the back end at car off to change the pull start, the failed bit on the pull start out, thought I'd upgrade that at the same time. Apparently they can break if you jump them or crash them really hard. So I thought, well, I've got it in bits, may as well do that anyway. But yeah, more to come, guys. Hopefully I'll make a load of videos on all the bits of it. Remembering to take a video of it while I'm doing it. Yeah, need to be getting into that. So, thanks for watching WTF RC Cars. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. If there's something you don't like, entirely up to you. It's your choice. Give me a thumbs down, but if you do, please leave a comment on what you don't like. More than happy to try and change to accommodate people. But again, thanks for watching. See you next time.